We are at Value Furniture. Yeah, I got some good looking couches in here. I ain't gonna cap. Definitely won't cap. Um, 2,599. What the fuck is this? This shit look like they just threw that shit together. What the fuck? What is this a style? Like, what are they trying to do with this? Yeah, I wouldn't be getting that. Ooh, nice little red velvet. Little red velvet couch. Um, I got this little gray boy right here. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. This what Cameron wants. She wants this shit. You know she gonna get it, her dumb ass. She gonna get this, that, she better get all that. This is hard. You can't get Canada. You're gonna find some way to break that motherfucker. Ooh, this white shorty on him. Yum.
Alright, Reggie, say I can go.
Ooh, this I like this couch. Nice and sleek, nice and modern. Keep it. Let's see if it's comfortable. Cause you know shit that look good don't even be comfortable. Ooh, nice and sink in. This is nice. This is definitely nice. I like that. You should get this couch in the basement. What? And it's not cheap. I'm like, the fuck? Mommy! Nice and sleek, nice and modern.
I thought you wanted leather.
Oh my, ew. Yeah, nice and sleek. And look at the price. Look at the price.
This is called a modular.
Mm-hmm. I know.
You so dirty? Oh, you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Ain't it nice?
Yeah.
That's like perfect for a movie.
This is. Is it low? It's not even low.
Who cares? You're supposed to look up the movie it is.
I thought we wanted recliner.
You can recline right there.
You right. I thought that's what you wanted. I like this though.
Mm-hmm. It's not.
Have everybody sit on you.
Yes, you can. What are you talking about? This is 1, 2,
Actually,
3,
you can build
4,
it to more.
5,
Look,
6,
look at the options
yeah.
you can build.
Look. You can do anything you want to, a little customized.
Oh, you looking for me? Okay.
So give me a few more.
This is a Marilyn Monroe type. Come on, look at the couch. Shouldn't we get this?
Without tax? Delivery fee? Oh, okay. That's what it is.
Come on, look. Wouldn't this be perfect in the and downstairs?
Yes, nice. Isn't it nice too?
Yeah. It's perfect. I like it. And it's gray. Matches the theme. We could get this.
The rug from Lowe's with the blue.
So what type of color scheme we going? Yeah, go ahead.
Hey,
How about the 5-piece? This is 1, 2, 3. I like this.
these braids look really good. I'm gonna take them. But let's do an outfit check. Okay?
This is not
So I
for
got
the
this, my corset, my Adidas, bro, my black biker shorts, my white Adidas,
Do I need a box in the
You want to see my fit?
and
Led
then
Zeppelin.
my
Thing.
I am. That's
Just
how you get
stretch.
me.
Shoot.
his
Got it
outfit
for my
don't-
pops.
His outfit don't-
Exclusive.
You
Oh,
sweat.
mommy, look at that couch. That's nice too. Like gray one right there. No, that. You might have to spin a bag.
Just the table.
Oh, this table y'all getting? That table looks way better. Nice and black. Let me see your fit. Let me see your fit. Oh yeah, you got the Yeezys. With the Adidas socks, we don't mismatch over here. Then she got the biker shorts, plus the Adidas bag. Then you got the beads. Then you got the New York Tokyo. Cameron been there. She got that when she was 9 and she went to Tokyo and she got it. Oh, and she got big
I
rags.
got bands, definitely. I got more at home. I didn't want to bring all of it.
Okay, I feel you. I get what you're saying. We're spying on String Bean. Operation String Bean. Where's String Bean? Operation String Bean. Immense. Dude, I'm really getting lost in this motherfucker. Look at there she is. String Bean. String Bean. Operation String Bean. Operation String Bean.
Curtis, why would you do that?
Operation String Bean completed.
It's like ugly.
Ooh, clearance. Love that word. Y'all see anything? Anything that looks like I would get? No. All the... Yeah, hell no. As we arrived in Ikea, we're about to go spend a bag. But we're spending a bag. Keep it low key. Man, it feels so good in here. I feel like I'm closing the mic. My fault. I should just bring the little tripod. I don't know why I didn't. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get a camera. I'm gonna get it. For raw, I'll wait to get that. So Cam, what is your plan on getting, like she got cash? What are your plans? I fuck with your shoes. Both of y'all shoes, I fuck with it. Yeah, Daddy does. They can't hear me if I had a address. You can't hear me. But then you can hear me when it's off. See, they can't hear me. Oh, here's a desk. This is different. Very different. Can you think I should get this? Can you think I should get this? Right there in that corner. The scissors. Kiki, do you love me?
Curtis,
Are you riding?
like you're being real professional. You are. Like this. Like,
Corinne, do you guys not know I don't give a fuck what anybody thinks?
oh my god.
You guys always do that, Curtis. Ugh, like, shut up. Y'all killing the vibe. Hey, Curtis, stop. Wow, like, nobody want to hear that. Do you want to hear that? Curtis, you're getting loud. That's my impression of them. Curtis, you're getting loud. Curtis, stop. You're being loud. Ugh, shut up. This is the type of desk I'm looking for. It's right here. Nice and easy. What's the name of it? Alex. This is the desk I think I'm gonna get. Alex. Yeah, I like Alex. Go ahead, Alex. Oh, what's this? Yeah, I like that. Simple chair, not too big, not too. Why is this shit $149? Why the fuck is this $149? What is different? What's different with this chair from that? Why is that $149? It's cool. It's cool. Let me see this one. This is a vibe. $149. Yeah, alright. This is alright. Look. So that's a cool little vibe. I still don't know what fucking desk I'm getting. Okay. Ooh, this is simple. Nice and simple. Let me see. Nice right here. Nice little perfect fit. Ain't bothering nobody. I fuck with it. Right here. Nice and small. Ain't doing too much. Alright, so this is odd. Aldiger and Vitz. What the fuck? Vitz? That's what we getting. Who's that?
Corinne.
Let me see. What's up, Corinne?
Where are you at?
We're on our way to you. We're coming down now.
We're not coming down, walking around.
Walk.
Okay.
Right, coming to you.
We're already down, just walking around.
Y'all not downstairs yet?
Yes, that's what I said. We walking around now.
Oh, mommy, look.
That's what I was trying to say.
Oh, this is nice. Come on, look. It's nice and skinny.
That's what I was saying. You just said it wouldn't fit nothing. We can roll towels up.
And do our little thug dizzle. Corinne was on a journey. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got LED lights. They there.
Oh, yeah, my picture.
Alright.
Stop showing me. Y'all look crazy.
You don't look crazy. You got the whole Yeezys on. You can't look crazy when you got Yeezys on. That's like the rule. Duh. She can't look little lights. You don't want no little lights. You know? And my chandelier. And my chandelier. Ooh, it's light. Who's that line, mama? Okay. Chandelier. Should I get these? Some water in them. Oh my gosh. Bro, they really leaving me, bro. They really leaving the kid. Alright, I'll put this big ass phone in my pocket. Ooh. This is about to be a vibe. Oh, run about to be a whole vibe. About to have hella plants in that bitch. What about to have hella plants in that bitch? Alright guys, we put everything in the car with no help. I had no help at all. They did not help. Sorry, no, I'm joking. Corinne did a little bit. And yeah, we're about to go home and I gotta set all this stuff up. I'm sweating. Now you gotta drop this string bean at Towson. Can you drop us all home? Can you drop us home? Can you drop us all?
What do I look? I said, where do I look?
Yes, you look like a mother.
So actually,
Oh man, Corey, can I get the piggy? Let me try the red one. Our hood friends.
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
What Kevin going to get?
A table.
Oh, you had these before? You guys always eat something.
Is that supposed to rain?
it's supposed to rain.
You got
That's what I was
wonderful.
asking.
What in the world?
Yeah, the better than that.
Chocolate just tastes like chocolate.
It
That's
does.
different. That's definitely different.
We are too.
We eat Ikea cookies. That's how you know we hungry.
It was crowded in there.
A little bit.